Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Gmail and going straight to Settings. This is where you make useful choices. Turn on two-step verification for protection, then set your default reply style and add a clear signature so recipients know who sent the message. Once done, enable Smart Compose to speed drafting and activate confidential mode when sending sensitive info. These steps prepare Gmail to behave the way you want: faster writing, consistent identity, and optional extra privacy before you compose your next message. Now compose with intent. Use templates for common replies and schedule send to control timing, great for different time zones. Make labels and colors your filing system. Apply more than one label to a thread and archive to keep inbox clean. Create filters to auto-label, forward, or remove messages based on sender or keywords so routine work disappears. Once configured, rely on nudges and snooze to surface items later. These automation and organization steps save time and keep your inbox from becoming chaotic. Finish by sharing access when needed. Set up delegation for assistance or insert a Google Meet link for live meetings. Make sure permissions match the task. Double-check confidential mode expirations and revoke access if something changes. Review account activity regularly to spot suspicious sign-ins. If something goes wrong, first clear browser cache, try incognito or another browser, and disable extensions. These quick checks resolve most UI or sending problems. If persistent, recreate the filter or template and make a small test message to verify fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.